Elena from Powertrain Products. Today we're hanging out in our shop. We have a guest today. This is Drew. He's our outside sales guy. If you own a shop, you've probably seen him pop in and chit chat with you a few times. In light of the recent events that are going on in the world, we've had to pull him off the road. He's not super happy about it, but we're hanging out in the shop. We're going to make the best of it. We're going to talk today about a 2.2 Ecotec surplus engine from GM. We're going to talk about some questions that we get asked here as well. So that being said, you know, when you're out there on the road, I know you're getting asked plenty of questions, and I would assume the main one is, why should we be buying from Powertrain Products?
Well, that's a great question, Elena, but let me tell you why we shouldn't buy from Powertrain. I don't have anything. So let me tell you this. Engines, transmissions, differentials, transfer cases, surplus, used, remanufactured. Hey, did you know we have a 5-year million-mile parts and labor warranty on them? A million. 5 years,
Wow.
1 million miles.
Yeah.
Standard on all of our remans. So tell me something. Why are we buying surplus engines from Powertrain Products?
So surplus engines that we offer here, we buy them in stock loads. So when we do that, these are 0-mile engines. They're coming straight from the dealer. They've never been run, driven, any of that.
Wait, so this engine has 0 miles on it?
Correct. No miles.
No, not a single mile.
None. Zero.
Wow.
Zero. Yeah.
Nice.
So in addition to being brand new, 0 mile, they come more complete than your standard long block would. So, you know, we're talking about long blocks, we're block, heads, timing components, all the usual stuff we show you guys. This one is going to have all that, and then we also have the intake manifold, the coil packs, valve covers, timing cover, oil pan, oil pump, oil level sensor even. Really, this engine, all you need is a couple things and you're on the road.
So you pretty much just drop this one in, plug it in, play it,
Yeah.
you're on the road.
Plug and play. You need some accessories, a throttle body, and a few sensors, and you're on the road. You're good to go. And then also, because we buy them in stock loads, we're able to sell them at a very steeply discounted price. When you go to the dealer or wherever you're buying your engine from.
Whoa. The dealer? That's scary. I don't know how much that stuff costs, but tell me how much maybe this one would cost at a dealer.
Well, you're going to pay nearly $5 grand.
Wow.
At the competition, and that's just for the engine.
So I
Nothing
still have
extra.
to get it installed.
Exactly.
Oh.
So at that price, you're going to end up with Joe Blow in your backyard, turning some wrenches, scratching his head. I mean, yeah. So when we are discounting this price, we're leaving room for your extras, your accessories, and the throttle body that you're going to need, your professional install by your ACE certified guy down the street. You're not even going to be thinking about Joe Blow. You're going to be driving away, honking at him.
So you can save me money with a 0 mileage engine.
Mm-hmm.
And I could get it installed by a professional.
You could.
And we're talking about same dealer prices if I were just to buy it.
Exactly.
Wow.
Exactly.
Well, now there's another encouraging thing to talk about Powertrain Products, why to buy from us. We have a lot of different options.
We do.
Surplus, used, remanufactured.
Yeah. While everyone is home, you know, clicking away on their computers, I would definitely encourage you to check out our website. I mean, this surplus engine in particular, it fits such a vast array of applications. Our super duper producer, Sarah, was nice enough to put these up here. But yeah, it fits in a vast array of applications, like I said. And then in addition to that, the only thing that I would mention about a surplus engine, when it comes in the stock load, what we have is what we have. So because they're so steeply discounted, they're selling quickly. I mean, the shelf for this in our warehouse is looking like the shelves at your local supermarket where they put the toilet paper. When it's gone, it's gone. So get them while you can. If you need them, again, 2.2 Ecotec engine, wide array of applications. I mean, that's all the fact bomb I got for today. I mean, do you have anything else you'd like to add, or
so if I call you today, Elena, I can get one of these engines?
You can. Okay. You can. Our number's 888-842-0023. You can follow us online to powertrainproducts.net. You can also follow, like, and subscribe to our YouTube channel as well.